Have you ever met someone who is clearly smart but also does things that make you pause and think he is a bit different? They talk to themselves, they stay up late thinking, they disappear for days and call it recharging. And you wonder, are they weird or secretly brilliant? Turns out, many highly intelligent people share some very strange habits, not because they are trying to be different, but because their brain just works that way. So let's talk about 5 weird habits that are surprisingly common among highly intelligent people. And trust me, by the end, you will start recognizing someone, maybe even yourself. Habit 1. They talk to themselves. Yes, out loud, not because they are confused, but because it helps them think clearly. Highly intelligent people often process ideas by hearing them. So they will rehearse conversations, explain things to an invisible audience, or argue with themselves and somehow lose. It's not madness, it's the brain debugging itself. Habit 2. They enjoy being alone a little too much. While others panic when plans get cancelled, they quietly celebrate. Intelligent people often need solitude to recharge, not because they hate people, but because the brain is always on and silence feels like rest. For them, being alone is not lonely, it is peaceful. Think of it as airplane mode, but for humans. Habit 3. They overthink simple things. What if I replied too fast? Should I have added an emoji? Did that okay sound angry? Highly intelligent people don't just think deeply, they think everywhere. Their brain sees multiple possibilities at once, which is great for problem solving and terrible for choosing what to order at a restaurant. Habit 4. They keep odd schedules. Late nights, random bursts of energy, productive at 2 a.m., sleepy at 2 p.m. Many intelligent people work best when the world is quiet. Less noise, fewer interruptions, more focus. It's not laziness, it's timing. Their brain clock just runs on different time zone. Habit 5. They question everything. Rules, traditions, because that's how it is always been. Highly intelligent people don't accept things easily. They ask why. Sometimes this makes them look rebellious, sometimes annoying, but it is also why they spot flaws others miss. Curiosity is their default setting. Final thoughts. Here is the thing, being highly intelligent does not always look impressive. Sometimes it looks quiet, sometimes awkward, sometimes a little weird. So the next time someone has strange habits, don't judge too quickly. They might just be thinking 10 steps ahead, while rest of us are all still opening the app. And if you recognize yourself in this list, congratulations. Welcome to the weird but thoughtful club. Hi guys, if you have watched the video so far, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.